How's it going? This is Adam from Fallen Owl Tattoo. It's a birthday. It's our birthday. You know, when we first opened up Fallen Owl back in 2010, really had just a simple goal of keeping the doors open. Anything else was just dreams and wishes. It's crazy at this point to me that we've exceeded so many of those expectations, be it with magazine interviews, write-ups, that kind of stuff. I got hired as an official expert advisor on skin cancer prevention. The government pays me to tattoo. That's something I never would have expected. Extremely grateful for stuff like the clothing line through American Hat Makers, Rocky Iron sponsoring me. To all the friends that sat in here with me in the freezing cold, helping me build this shop out, I can't thank you guys enough. To all of the artists that I've had the pleasure of working with that have helped us build the name here at Fallen Owl Tattoo, it's as much your shop as it is mine. To all of the clientele that's supported our charity events, come to our art shows, I really just want to thank you for everything that you guys have done. Thank you all for being a part of Fallen Owl Tattoo.